Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel and also welcome to today's video. If you are new here and you like what we are doing here and you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys for coming back. So on today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I do my oil how I do my hot oil hair treatment. So the ingredients I have here is rosemary, clove and aloe vera. So I'm just going ahead to put it into my bottle and go ahead to add my oil. Use any oil of your choice and also use any ingredient of your choice. So this is my choice of ingredients on today's hot oil treatment. Okay guys, hot oil treatment is very good at least once in a week or once in 2 weeks. Is very good depending on your choice anyway, but I like to do this at least once in 2 weeks. Okay guys, it's very good. Hot oil treatment is going to help deposit oil back into your hair and prevent the dryness that can contribute to breakage. Adding a DIY hot oil treatment to your hair weekly routine can also help repair damaged hair. So I'm going to go ahead to boil this to make sure that the whole nutrient is given. Okay, so after boiling it, I'm just going to go ahead and strain it out and make use of it. Massage my scalp very well. Guys, this hot oil treatment is also going to help to reduce dandruff, and it's also going to reduce hair frizziness and increase blood flow in the scalp, which may help promote healthier hair growth. So guys, try to do this hair treatment. Sorry, I don't know why I'm saying it's hair treatment, hot oil treatment. Okay guys, do it and you are going to love your hair so very much guys.
Once again, you've been lost my way, but I'll find it.
So guys, to do this, make sure that the oil is still very hot, like very hot. I mean hot. Okay, that is why it is called hot oil treatment. So go ahead and massage this oil into your scalp very well and your hair. Okay, just exactly how I am doing it. I am applying the oil to my scalp and massaging it into my scalp very.
She took my heart and broke it twice. You left me out there recognize. She took my heart and broke it twice. You left me out there recognize. Alright, go. It's alright, it's alright, it's alright, go. Alright, go. Alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright, go. I've been feeling kinda lonely, guess it makes sense. Since I've been waking up at midnight, barely hit, I need a change. I've been feeling kinda low, so I can't pretend. It's been 2 weeks since I saw you, I'm sorry things end up this way. But bear in mind, I try to be the best, I know that I.
So guys, after massaging your hot oil into your scalp very well, so the next thing you're going to do is to cover your hair with a shower cap or anything, just same way you do your hair steaming. Okay, and you can decide to wash it same day or the next day, whichever way is okay guys.
Alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright, go. Take a minute to breathe in the air as my fingers run through your hair. Yeah.
So guys, after my oil treatment, I went ahead and washed my hair the way it should be done. And after washing my hair, I'm just going to go ahead and moisturize my hair then go ahead to put my hair into a protective style, and that is all that happened here, all that went down in this video. Okay guys, hope you like this video, and please like my video, please subscribe to my channel, please watch my video, increase my watch hour, please guys, I am pleading with you, show me love. Okay, so I hope you like this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
She took my heart and broke it twice. You left me out there again. She took my heart and broke it twice. You left me out there again. Alright, girl. It's alright, it's alright, it's alright, girl. Alright, girl. Alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright, go. I've been feeling kinda lonely, guess it makes sense. Since I've been waking up at midnight, barely hit, I need a change. I've been feeling kinda low, so I can't pretend. It's been 2 weeks since I saw you